Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Sonos Beam Gen 2 with Samsung TV step by step clearly. To set up your Sonos Beam Gen 2 with a Samsung TV, start by gathering all the necessary equipment. Ensure that your Sonos Beam Gen 2 is placed in a suitable location near your TV. Unbox the Sonos Beam Gen 2 and connect the power cable to the soundbar. Plug the other end of the power cable into an electrical outlet. Next, locate the HDMI ARC port on your Samsung TV. Connect the Sonos Beam Gen 2 to the HDMI ARC port using the included HDMI cable. Make sure to use the HDMI port labeled ARC or eARC for the best results. Now, turn on your Samsung TV. Using your TV remote, navigate to the Settings menu. Select the sound option in the Settings menu. Change the audio output to HDMI ARC. If available, enable any settings related to external speakers or soundbars. Next, download the Sonos app on your smartphone or tablet if you haven't already. Open the Sonos app and follow the on-screen instructions to add a new device. Select Sonos Beam from the list of available devices. The app may prompt you to connect your Sonos Beam to your Wi-Fi network. Input your Wi-Fi details as needed. Once connected, the app will guide you through additional setup options. You may want to run the TruePlay tuning feature to optimize sound based on your room's acoustics. Follow the instructions provided by the app to complete the tuning process. Once setup is complete, test your Sonos Beam by playing audio from your TV. Adjust the volume using your Samsung TV remote or the Sonos app for convenience. Congratulations, your Sonos Beam Gen 2 is now fully set up and ready to enhance your audio experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.